October. Ay, November.
No. Isa din?
November.
November?
No.
Isa din na.
Month. Isa ka month.
Tubanong.
November.
October.
October 31 man ang Halloween.
Ay,
Giging kay October.
Next is
February.
February.
May.
Isa din na. Ay. Mother's Day.
Ay,
Because of Valentine's.
Masway.
January.
Masway.
May.
May.
Oh, so cute. Abi ko, Valentine's.
Next.
Hala.
Hala!
January.
February.
January.
Hi. What rain? What rain?
No.
December? Pan, February.
February or January?
Ikaw, Elia, yung Latin.
Election.
So, mami ka mo ano?
Women's Month.
Yes, Mom.
Kuan.
Ay, International Women's Day.
Yes, Mom.
Gusto mo na.